What is up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. So we have another highway POV coming for you guys. I'm about to be heading back this way, so I'm about to get off the exit real quick and then I'm about to get off. So I really hate this slow lane. Like, they go too slow, and it's slow to the point where like it could almost cause an accident, you know? So I don't know if you guys can see on the screen, but speed limit 65, we're going 47. I don't think that's safe, but I really hate in Florida the slowest drivers being in that left lane. Meanwhile, everyone knows that that left lane is for people who want to drive fast, you know? But I think they're supposed to be like putting together some new rule that's supposed to like defend that, so this way those people can get fined or something like that if they're in that fast lane going slow. God damn, this Lexus came in hot. You see him? Look at him. Oh my gosh, he almost hit my bumper, man. And that's why you really can't cut up with just anybody, man. You don't know how people cut up, what their reaction time is. Like, can't cut up with everybody. I freaking love Delray. I don't know if anyone is into like tennis or pickleball, stuff like that. A lot of the professional players live out here in Delray Beach, like a lot of them. Some of them were even born here. I don't know if you guys know that girl. Her name is Anna Lee Waters. She's like the #1 pickleball player in the world. She was actually born here in Delray, so I feel like it's dope. But it's so funny. It's like, it's so much popular and famous people here and talented people, but you never see them. Like, I've never seen any of these athletes at any of the bars or any of the boats and stuff like that. I don't know, they probably got a house like somewhere in the back that's private, because you never see them unless you go to this if you go further down on this West Atlantic Avenue, there's like a big stadium where they host all the big tennis events. That's the only time you really see them. You don't really see them outside at bars and in restaurants and things like that. So but yeah, we got a highway POV. I'm gonna probably play some music. I feel like those are the best POVs, honestly. Like, talking is cool if you have a fast car, whatever, dope, but like you play some music and you cut up, to me that's like the best POV. All right, come on guys, let's go. Only in Florida the light will be green and everybody just sits here. No one blows the horn. How do you guys have so much patience here? I was born in Brooklyn, New York, and moved to Florida 2 years ago, and you guys have so much patience to just sit behind these people and just let them waste your time. Like, it's crazy. That's a nice wrap on that M8. God damn. You guys know if I go to get an M, it's gonna be M6 or M8, most likely M8. I just really want a big body. I need that big body. And I've seen some of them wrapped in like a matte black. It looks so good. You just have to think about, if you get a matte color, you know, how's it gonna affect, you know, everything else, like car washes, you know, it's gonna be like, you can't go to any car wash. So, and it's crazy. I thought about wrapping this, oh, I thought it was green. I thought about wrapping this car too, but I just don't know if I'm keeping it like long term, because then it would just make sense to just, you know, do wrap, exhaust. I'm not gonna do wheels no more. I thought about doing wheels, but it doesn't make sense, because then I'm gonna have 4 spare wheels just chilling, and then it's gonna be hard to sell the new ones. So I'm like, nah, just leave them. I like how my rims look anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. Alright, let's play some music. Let's get it tuned.
I'ma fuck you, I'ma switch after. I'ma still call on you like yeah, I need some of that pussy. You put it on me like a pen on a rookie. That shit was spicy and gushy. You got me, you hooked me. She like you used to overlook me. used to be on my bullet. She like the bake, I want some of that cookie. Chase from the block. Why everywhere that I go, I'm here to use a dot. Why everywhere that I go, I'm here to use a hoe. How I come back to the block and you sitting on top of my bro? And I heard that you be doing, I heard you be sending your clothes. Can I get a crazy? She little baby, what's up? Fuck having a heart to a heart. That's how a slut to a slut. If you gon' fuck, you gon' fuck. But those kind of cuffs is stupid or what? You almost had me fooled, I can't in my sleep. Yo, I love when you throwing it back. I love when you reach for the leaf and you walk to the side. I love when you come back. I love when you let me hit it like a bat. I love when I'm in the kitchen like a guy. I love when I hit from this and you scratch. I love when you think you going just like that. And I'm spitting your mouth. Love when you swallow, you don't spit it out. Making a stretch till I get it out. Who's gonna do without figuring it out? This shit you be getting it out. Sometimes I think you be pissing it out. Is you ready or not? No, is you trying to get daddy or not? Is you trying to get henny or not? Slipping on my dick like spaghetti or not? I like the way that you shake it. I keep on thinking about getting you naked. Girl, you look good, let me taste it. I have you coming and skirting and sneaking. Got the right one, I'm mistaken. I'll be on that pussy like it was a placement. I am not kind of thing. Let's get it. You kissing me off, acting like a clown. Now I'm fishing you up, baby, you supposed to be down. Now I gotta take a step back, cause you on around. You must have lost your mind, gotta be found. Now you gotta be Sunday. You see me on Friday. You see me on after hours. We doing it my way. You see me on after hours. We doing it my way. Baby, it's my way. Drink my cup. Couldn't wait till you leave my cup. What you think about drinking my neck? What you think about drinking my dick? You know I got you in my cup. You know I don't pay on my cup. You got something that's in my cup. It's that ain't no pain in my cup. Drink up, don't slow down. Now she wanna try to blow now. Now I wanna fucking throw now. Now I wanna fucking throw like this. Nigga, run up, I'ma throw like bam. Nigga, he don't gotta know like damn. Nigga, about me, he don't get no money, baby. We just keep it on a look like this. Now when I'm married, I'm throwing a beat. She gon' be sticky, don't know what it mean. She gon' be sticky, don't know what it mean. I was familiar, you know that's the steez. Ain't coming no thotty, no hoe, no skis. I'm out of my body, the gold is in me. I'm out of my body. Nigga, when I'm out of me, everybody. You gon' be spending life out of your body. Don't get down no podcast, me and hobby. Gonna be fucking do not tell nobody. Keep it secret, I got it on me. Don't say God bless when I see it, cause I'm already blessed. Don't let them talk no experts, don't even text me, just stick with the message. Pussy was better than expected, hit that ass, shot your name off the checklist. I ate that pussy for breakfast, so you suck a nigga. Since you looking for a nigga with money when I'm already cashless. Don't let them talk no rappers, talk no traffic, talk no madness. Pussy was better than habits, hit that nine, still on static. Fuck with a city, the average, fuck with a city, how this is the maddest. My bitch, she was skinny, but now she got magic. My bitch, she was skinny, but now she got chicken, her rest in the cabbage. She wanna fight every bitch that I had it. She wanna fight every bitch that I had it. She see my ass, she attacking. She want that nigga with money when I'm already cashed. I'm already coming back. I'm already coming back. I wanna make you have. I'm gonna suck you have. Sick of you keeping it classy. Want you to get in the backseat. Suck on my dick while I'm gripping your asses. Know you a beauty, your athlete. Doing it big, she got that fancy. Only your friends in the baddies. You do the bench, you don't do the caddy. Wanna get drunk, get nasty. Put a bottle in your cup, get nasty. On your body, tryna fuck since last week. Oh my god, I'm tryna rope, get nasty. Wanna get drunk, get nasty. Put a bottle in your cup, get nasty. On your body, tryna fuck since last week. Oh my god, I'm tryna rope, get nasty. I got a nigga, so you know how to got me. You know I got this bitch, so you know you're baddie. Can you get on top of it? That will make me so happy.
What's up with the ads, man?
friends, son. I just made her come twice. You ain't make her come once.
Guys, I appreciate you watching the POV. Please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.